What's up guys, Tim from Deep Stage Tuning. Been a couple of weeks since we put any new real content up on the YouTube page. So I wanted to put something together here. Now this is a car that's just an LT1 Stingray. He decided he wanted to go with a LT4 conversion on it, so we went ahead and obliged. He's got low side fuel system from Racing Instruments. That's one of our friend companies here. Obviously the pulley 2.3, I think it's got a 15% lower long tube headers, all the bolt-on goodies, E85. Great thing about this car is it made 732 horsepower, 694 pound-feet of torque on relatively little effort. Didn't take a whole lot to get there. It's running about 15 pounds of boost. Super efficient motor, doesn't have ported heads or anything, but it's just a beautiful, beautiful car. The guy that owns it is one of our first responders. So we pay a lot of attention to that. We take care of our first responders as best we possibly can. So go ahead and check out the video, listen to this bad boy sing, and enjoy. Sounds pretty awesome, doesn't it? Now this is where we have our little tech tip of the day. We've had a couple of cars in here recently that customers have been working on themselves. Now, one of the biggest things is to know when you just don't have the ability. Some people might be able to complete the job, but it doesn't mean it's completed right. We had a video earlier this week of somebody that had been doing their own work. The electrical on it was absolutely atrocious, and it has caused electrical nightmare from electrical nightmare to electrical nightmare in his car. Couldn't figure out why until we really started uncovering everything and seeing just how bad it was. If you're not an electrician, just because you might know electricity on how to wire up a amplifier in your car doesn't mean you should be wiring up everything else. There's loads you've got to pay attention to, amperage you've got to pay attention to, make sure you've got the right gauge for whatever you're running. This car had none of that. It had speaker wire running light systems and other things like that. So my opinion, and of course it's just mine, if you don't do it for a living, if you want it done right, you don't necessarily always have to do it yourself. Now this is Tim from Deep Stage Tuning. Have a great afternoon.